What's up? Good morning, everyone. Thanks for watching another video. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, comment, affiliate marketing, all that stuff. Turn on notifications to the channel. It is currently at 8:21 in the morning. I'm gonna head to a hobby shop because they have lifts, which I don't have, and I'm gonna put the car up on the lift. Do some looking over on the bottom of it since it came from Washington, and that's possible cause for rust. Also, I'm gonna put studs on it and wheel spacers. So let's go ahead and head out.
Alright guys, we're here for another day of shit that Thompson can fuck up. Hosted by your boy Thompson. You about to fuck shit up. Oh yeah, you about to fuck it up. So strong. Fuck, I just nutted. Get a picture of the car. Nismo.
What we do here is go back.
Alright everybody, so I wasn't gonna do any more with the car today, but apparently my homeboy says he wants me to go to a car meet with him today, so I'm just gonna do a couple more things like the interior lights and the BMW logo. So I'm not gonna completely film that. The main thing I'm just gonna do is do like a before and after. Show you guys what the interior lights look like now versus what they'll look like afterward. Alright, so as you can see is most of it is pretty like orange looking. Doesn't look too good. Doesn't look bad, but So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out these lights and see what it looks like afterward. And this is it. Got these lights, the ZiZa lights from ECS Tuning. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can pick them up. And also added a little extra to it. Alright, y'all know what it is. We got mine out here. Looking decent. We got my homeboys Nismo.
Oh, dude, that's fire. Dude, it's like
looking good.
I didn't think I'd love them so much.
But let's take a moment to walk over to the airbags on this thing. All eared out and everything. He do this shit every single place he go. I'm gonna put his link in the description. Actually, I'm gonna drop it on the screen so that y'all can see his Instagram. That boy doing things with it. We both going with the red interior, you know what I'm saying? Whew. You already see it. Another one done pulled up. Clean as ever, boy. Oh, that boy pulled up clean. This is probably one of them. I think it was this one. One of these two almost ate that shit up, bro. Yeah, dang, I thought my Beamer was stock. Yeah. You already know this right here just came straight from the track.
Oh yeah, that's these tires. You looking at him? I want all this food. You don't want this food. You got the numbers on you, bro. You only got the numbers.
I ain't got the numbers to run with that. Y'all already know I'm seeing what I'm looking for. Y'all already know. Look at it, the M4, baby.
And a W? Oh!
Oh my God!
I thought I hated y'all before. Hey, with the peg leg. I know y'all gonna follow my boy Graham. Just got home from the car meet. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage and everything I did on the car today. Thanks for watching another video. It's like 12 o'clock now, so it's time to head to bed. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, drop a comment, all that good stuff. Catch you guys in the next video.
Vegas nights playing cars, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit, we all eat. Hear me well, no, I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my sex, deal shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.